When it comes to improving energy efficiency in Mesa homes, many homeowners focus on choosing high-quality windows. While selecting the right product is important, one critical factor often makes the biggest difference: proper installation. Even the most advanced, energy-efficient windows will not perform as intended if they are not installed correctly. In Mesa's hot and dry climate, where cooling costs can be significant, professional installation plays a key role in maximizing window efficiency. One of the most important aspects of proper installation is achieving a tight, secure fit. Windows must be precisely measured and aligned within the opening to prevent gaps. Even small openings around the frame can allow hot air to enter and cool air to escape. In Mesa, where temperatures regularly climb, these leaks can make it much harder to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Professional installers ensure that each window fits perfectly, eliminating these weak points and improving overall efficiency. Sealing is another critical component. High-quality sealants and insulation materials are used during installation to create an airtight barrier around the window frame. This prevents outside air, dust, and moisture from entering your home. In Mesa, where dust and heat are constant concerns, proper sealing not only improves energy efficiency but also enhances indoor air quality and comfort. Alignment also plays a major role in how well a window performs. A window that is not level or square may not close properly, leading to uneven pressure on the seals. Over time, this can cause wear and reduce the window's ability to insulate your home. Professional installation ensures that windows are correctly aligned, allowing them to open and close smoothly while maintaining a strong seal. Another way proper installation maximizes efficiency is through insulation around the window frame. This step involves filling any gaps between the window and the surrounding wall with the appropriate materials. Without this insulation, heat can transfer through these spaces, reducing the effectiveness of even the best window designs. In Mesa properties, where keeping heat out is a priority, this added insulation is essential. Proper installation also helps windows perform as designed when it comes to energy-saving features. Many modern windows include double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These features are specifically engineered to reduce heat transfer. However, if the window is not installed correctly, these benefits can be compromised. Ensuring that the window is properly sealed and supported allows these technologies to function at their full potential. Moisture control is another important consideration. While Mesa is known for its dry climate, occasional rain and humidity can still affect window performance. Poor installation can allow water to seep into the frame, leading to damage over time. Professional installers use proper flashing and sealing techniques to direct water away from the window, protecting both the window and the surrounding structure. Energy efficiency is closely tied to how hard your HVAC system has to work. When windows are installed correctly, they help maintain a stable indoor temperature. This reduces the strain on your air conditioning system, which can lead to lower energy bills and a longer lifespan for your equipment. In Mesa homes, where cooling systems are heavily used, this benefit can make a noticeable difference. Durability is another advantage of proper installation. Windows that are installed correctly are less likely to develop issues such as warping, leaks, or operational problems. This ensures that they continue to perform efficiently for years without requiring frequent repairs. A well-installed window protects your investment and provides long-term value. Professional installation also improves overall comfort. Eliminating drafts, maintaining consistent temperatures, and reducing outside noise all contribute to a more enjoyable living environment. In Mesa, where outdoor conditions can be extreme, this added comfort is especially valuable. Finally, proper installation helps preserve manufacturer warranties. Many window warranties require professional installation to remain valid. Choosing experienced installers ensures that your investment is protected and that any future issues can be addressed under warranty if needed. In the end, proper installation is essential for maximizing window efficiency in Mesa properties. It ensures a secure fit, effective sealing, and long-term performance, allowing your windows to deliver the comfort and energy savings they were designed to provide. For homeowners looking to get the most out of their window upgrade, professional installation is just as important as the windows themselves.